if you loaded the boat and you went in too big on this trade, this would have wrecked you. You would have got out and then it would have ran. They'd be like, oh, damn it. Because you were in too heavy. If you were in the right size and it pulled back and you're still got wiggle room, you're like, I ain't worried about that yet. That ain't even a thing yet. And then it runs, you're like, position size, right? Position. Don't I say it every day? So if you were in the right position size, this little pullback, you wouldn't be like, oh my gosh, there goes 10,000. You might go, there's $100. I can sweat through this thing. This isn't really that much. Risk management, tolerance, position size, knowing what you're supposed to be doing. How does it still look? Is everything still okay? All I can do as your coach is try to give you guys some sort of generalization. Hey, if it breaks below VWAP, you're supposed to be in a call. You just got in the trade, get out, because most likely it could go against you and I don't want you to lose money. So as a, I got to tell you things because it's for 95% of the people, right? That's all. So some of these things I guys got to tell you in there, but you guys see me every day when I've traded. I'm like, listen, I got to give it wiggle room. And sometimes I got to give it quite a bit to work through what it needs to do to get to where it's going to go.